Great customer service is paramount in today's competitive market. Business owners that are proactive in enhancing operations are seeing benefits. Hunt Country Components sought to be proactive and improve customer satisfaction. ValuTrack and Hunt met and discussed the merits of a custom order systems tracking to enhance order accuracy, track and traceability, and visibility within customer-ordered material handling before shipments left the loading dock.
Hunt Country Components has been manufacturing upholstered furniture since the year 2000, and ever since our beginning, we faced the same challenges. We could not give a customer an accurate ship date because we didn't know what each piece of their order was in the production process. Our upholsterers get paid on piece rate, and they would write down their daily work on a sheet of paper, send it to the office. At the end of the week, it took an entire day just to do the weekly payroll, and there were always problems. All our chairs ship in the same size box. Sometimes we'd ship the wrong box to the wrong location. Sometimes we'd overship orders, sometimes we would short ship orders. And in shipping, when you send something to the wrong location, it's very expensive to fix your problem. Well, I knew that large corporations used RFID tracking, so I got together with ValuTrack and asked if RFID was a cost-effective solution for us.
ValuTrack's been in business for 34 years, helping our customers deploy solutions that increase their productivity. For 25 of those years, we've been a Zebra partner. Zebra has helped our customers with their digital transformation. When we met with Hunt to discuss the challenges they had in their factory, RFID seemed to be the perfect solution. We sat with Howard and Janice and Heather, and we talked through the different solutions, and ultimately they deployed RFID readers, antennas, scanners, printers, tags, the entire Zebra RFID suite of solutions.
Despite having an ERP system in place, Hunt needed an intelligent customer order system tracking system to understand where products were in the manufacturing process and to ensure the correct materials were loaded onto the right truck. As a leader in efficient automation, ValuTrack met with their team to design a system that combined dependable technologies with intelligent insights.
When our orders come in from our customers, we are able to enter into the ValuTrack system and print off our RFID tags and our box labels.
The ValuTrack database updates the Access program I use for scheduling. Since we implemented the ValuTrack system, I receive updated information on all of our orders, which allows me to give our customers accurate ship dates. Before this, I had to go to the production floor with a yellow pad and a pen and gather this information. Using the Zebra scanner, which gives us updated information.
After the fabric is cut, fabric panels are given to the sewers. As the fabric cutter scans the tags with a Zebra TC52, his payroll is updated and the system will show each tag given to a specific sewer. The sewer scans the tags which have been attached to the sewn upholstery covers at a scanning station using a Zebra scanner. Their payroll is updated and the upholstery supervisor can see how many covers are ready for the next process. The sewer can print a report showing the tags they scanned. They can use this report to verify their payroll is correct. Once a piece of furniture is in a carton, the barcode is no longer visible. This is where RFID takes over. The boxing department can read the RFID tag that is attached to each piece of furniture through the carton wall. Each carton is assigned to a specific staging location in the shipping area. The system now shows where each piece of furniture is in the shipping area. Here, we chose a Zebra 8500 RFID reader because of its long-range reading capability and rugged construction. If a stray carton is found, it can be scanned to see what product is in the carton without having to open it up. Plus, deployed light stacks and horns installed at the dock doors verify the correct shipments are loaded onto the truck by reading RFID tags and alerting teams of any mistakes right on the spot.
Before the RFID was implemented into the system, we had to do everything by hand, and to the legal pad we'd have to write it down, go hunt it, and make sure we put it in the right staging area. And if something went missing, everybody in the plant had to get together to find the one carton, which was difficult as all. But now since the RFID is in place, all we got to do is walk and shoot the low that we think that our piece is in, and it automatically finds it for us. Everything's programmed into a number, so the number shows up and we know where our piece is at. Now is a lot better than it used to be.
As customer demands continue to rise, working alongside a committed team has proven vital for businesses seeking to stay ahead of changes. To learn more about how ValuTrack grows inventory control, contact us and schedule your free assessment to explore your own tailored solution.